For 6 months, the world has been gripped by a medical emergency unknown in living memory. Millions infected, hundreds of thousands dead, and a global economic crisis that's emptied shops, restaurants, and theatres. How can innovation and technology help to solve the problems? Those are the questions we'll be asking online at the OurCrowd Pandemic Innovation Conference on June 22nd, where we'll also be hosting the premiere of this new single by Dave Carroll.
When the world stops ending and we catch our breath, will we know ourselves better at all? What will life look like and what will be left? Will we have the same problems to solve?
At the OurCrowd Pandemic Innovation Conference, you can meet the world's leading experts in medicine, business and technology and ask them what role innovation can play in solving our problems, where the solutions will come from and who's going to pay for them. With words like lockdown and social distancing becoming part of the language, face masks and hand gel essential accessories, can technology find a treatment and a cure for the virus?
From here to Manhattan, I hope that it happens. We love so much better than ever before.
How will technology help to shape our new lives at home, at work, and at play in the new normal? On June 22nd, join us online wherever you are and meet the startup innovators helping to fix our broken world.
When the world stops ending once more.
Join us online at the OurCrowd Pandemic Innovation Conference.